Still pretty sharp right now, but I'm gonna dull it on the actual Diasharp. Not bad. I do like it so far, but I kind of wish that there was a different knife. Even though I did say that I like the knife, I kind of wish that there was a different knife for me to test it on. Maybe and also maybe a thinner blade. So I think this is still fairly thick for what I'm used to. But I mean, it is a beautiful handle. There's a little bit of fit issues, but it is generally pretty cheap